Bella just loving the sun. My girl. Just loving the sun. 68 degrees here. We were going to stay in this RV-friendly casino parking lot tonight. The traffic probably quiets down in the evening. I'm just not into it. I think I know a place here just not too far down the road that will be much nicer for the evening. So we're just going to go do that. Right? You ready? You ready to go, girl? Yeah, whenever you are. Whatever. Easy. What? I'm just looking. This place is on Pinal County Open Space and Trails. This is on freecampsites.net. I guess it used to be free. Day use is still free, but there is a $10 camping fee per night per vehicle. $10. It's nicer than a casino parking lot. I pay it. Now, there are no hookups here, but look at these spaces. They're pretty nice. Now, picnic table, a grill. Yeah, this is pretty dang nice. We have nature, some quiet. Nice scenery. What a beautiful, beautiful place to stay. You know, for a county park. Pinal County West Park, I think. Come on, Bella. You know, free isn't always better. Fast forward to the next day already. We got here yesterday, we stayed overnight. Did some video editing, of course, and got that last one uploaded. So we're starting this one. There's something up the road here, about 5 miles up the road. I came down this area with intention. Come on, girl. Somebody asked if I'd seen any rattlesnakes or scorpions ever, and I didn't see a one last year. Haven't seen a one this year. Not a single one. You know what I just can't get over is how big these big ones. These are Sangora cactus, right? I just can't get over how big they get. There was one last year. I have to see if I can't find that picture somewhere. I parked the Tioga right beside it, and it was actually leaning like towards the road, like it was gonna fall on it. It was just so huge. And these, I know that one there's gotta be, you know, over 30 feet easily. Yeah, the highway's right there. Even in the daytime, there's a little bit of traffic. But there's just a small town down that way and a small town back up that way. It's just not a heavily traveled road, so it's very tolerable. And Interstate 8 is actually just over that way a little bit. A little bit of road noise here, but not bad at all. Yeah, so free isn't always better. Bella's spinning me around. Easy, girl. And it's just such a nicer place to, hey, for all the more this costs for the $10, it's just so much nicer to come here to have a nice place to, you know, take Bella for a walk rather than some, you know, Walmart or casino parking lot. It's just nice all the way around. Yeah, I kind of wish I would have brought a, you know, bag of charcoal and maybe some chicken or some burgers. I have a nice Weber kettle grill back up in Pennsylvania. I do like to cook on a grill. It's just been a little while. Can almost smell the smell. We're gonna get out of here and go to a, I guess you could call it a museum. This is an interesting one though. This is something a little different. We're gonna get a couple things put away and we're gonna get going. Well, it looks like I've come to the right place. I didn't expect it to be this busy on a Thursday. It's way out here in the country. Sounds like there's a bunch of noise going inside. I even hear music. It's probably copyrighted music. So I just have to mute the video clip and play some of that fill-in music as we tour. And that fellow on the right, he's the mastermind behind all this operation. This is all his fine handcrafted work. And of course, there's Bella. It's about time you got out of there. Now, there's a man with an amazing talent. I can appreciate what he does. I've been mechanicking all my life in some way, shape, or form. So tech in high school and out of school for a while, then worked at an automotive machine shop rebuilding engines, and then just being in manufacturing, in the metalworking arena. That man has talent, and he's happy to tell his stories, and he was busy. There's a group of them that are busy in conversation. He sure enjoys what he does. Isn't that nice to just love doing something that much? They should have like a taco truck out here. I'm ready for some lunch. I could go for some tacos. Turn around, I think I see a little taco shack along the road. As long as they're good. Okay, there it is. That's the taco shack. It looks like it's a, taco, one of those trailers that you can take to different events. Texas called Caracopa tacos, burritos, quesadillas, tortas. I don't know what those other things are. Oh well, I'm hungry. Those tacos. I had some help with that menu. I'm like, I can't read your menu. I said it wrong. It's Maricopa Tacos. And they have it's a fresh 2019 health inspection sticker on this thing. Oh, maybe I should have got that. Without the fly. It's gotta be good. If the menu's in Spanish, it's gotta be the real McCoy, right? It's gotta be good. I love these little restaurants or food trucks, for that matter, eating Mexican food that hasn't been Americanized. Excuse me. Real tacos. Yum. Here she comes. She smells something. He says, have you been eating tacos again? Alright, thanks for coming along today. Thanks for watching our videos. And the usual, like, comment, share, subscribe. I feel better now. It's getting late in the day. I need to think about where we're going to stay tonight. We're going to keep heading in a certain direction. So, till next time, take care.